Well, I managed to venture out to the store this morning. And these high winds that we're having, supposed to end later this afternoon. This is like a weekly occurrence here. And all the while, when I was on the way to the store and on the way back from the store, I kept on thinking about Buffalo. And that's what got me down to the store and back. Because all we're getting here in Portland is just some rain and some high winds. Nothing comes close to what Buffalo got. So that's what got me to the store. The only thing I did today was reschedule my interview for tomorrow. Because that's quite a distance. That's like all the way across town. Some suburb called Beaverton. Which I know how to get there. Oh. I keep on asking myself with these high winds, am I in Portland or am I in Chicago?